And the second step, once you finish the most important thing, which is making the title out, now I want you to fill up the rest of the specifications and fill the item description as well. Okay. Uh, so the second part is to choose the right category. Okay. And also custom label. Always put in 02 in here. And category, you will need to choose the right category for this item. Sometimes eBay gives you random categories, and I want you to choose the category for yourself. But sometimes eBay does that for you. So, for example, this is acupuncture pen, which is meant to be for some some facial massage or something, therapy, something like this. So let's see if there's anything that is related in the category in here. See, this is anti-aging products, dildos, vibrators, which is not a vibrator or any kind of thing in here. Massager. I think this is good, but we can see in here we have acupuncture devices, which this one is actually the case. So we will choose this category. Now let's go to scroll down. Since we don't have variations, we don't need to create any variations. Uh, Store categories, just leave it blank. UPC code, always type in does not apply. Condition, always new. Choose the best photo that accurately describes and you think that it will attract the buyer. Okay, so the main photo in here will be the main photo on eBay listing. So let's see in here if we think. I think this one is best. Okay, so I will drag the photo in here, and this will be our main photo right now. Now let's scroll down and let's fill out the specification. I want you to fill out the best specification you can do. I want you to do quality listings, and I want you to fill out the specification as since it will help the buyer find this item faster. So now what we want to do is fill out the specifications in here. The most you can do is the best. So let's see. Sometimes the DS Titan will fill the specification for us, but we don't want to do that, and we want to fill out the specifications by hand. I mean by you or me. So let's search if there's anything similar to this item. As we can see, there's acupuncture pen right here, which we are selling. This is exactly what it is. So we will choose this one. Right. And let's see labels and certifications. Since and let's take a look if there's anything similar in here, if they have any certifications or labels or anything. Don't see that. Oh yes, they do have certifications in here, registration certificate and so on, but I'm not sure about this one, so I will just leave it blank. Let's continue. Material, let's see if what this material is. This is ABS, which stands for plastic or something like that, so I will choose material in here. It does not give me any material suggestions, so I will just type in plastic and click add. Numbers of settings, which is how many? It has 9 gears, so it's 9 settings. So I will put the number in here, 9. Color, which is, let's see the color, which is silver or something like that, and I will put in here color. Body area, where it's going to be where it's effective, so I can see it can go to face, to the back, can be used for different parts, face, back, neck, stomach, legs, and so on. So let's fill out this information in here. So foot, hand, head, face, let's see what it gives us more, face, and that's about it. none. Expiration date, since we don't know this information. Item diameter, I don't think it's very important in here. So features, reusable, and let's see anything else. It does not give us custom bundle, no, since it's not. Main purpose, pain relief, improved stress relief, and let's see if there's anything else. Nope. Power source, let's see if there's any power source in here. I think it's battery operated. Battery, yes, this is battery, so we will need to fill up in here. Click here, battery. Let's scroll down. Set includes battery, and let's see what set includes. So it's including this stuff, but I don't think it matters, and so I will not be fulfilling this section right here. So the next step is to create a description. So now I want you to do is copy the main title that you created, copy this into our description, and let's now copy description from this item on the AliExpress. So once we scroll down, we will click on overview, and sometimes the sellers will leave these bullshit welcome to dropshipping and stuff, which we don't need to copy. What we are looking for is the description of the item itself. So let's scroll down, and we can see that there is some description in here, but let's see if there is more. Okay, so we have found some description in here. So let's click and copy. First step is to copy on this description onto a notepad, not directly onto eBay, since it will give you this, but to notepad. Okay, and let's see if there's any more description in here. No. Sometimes this description overview section is empty, so I want you to copy specifications of the item. Okay, but only copy specification if the overview description is empty on AliExpress. So once we have found our description, now I want you to do is fix this up a bit, just like that. Copy that description and paste it onto eBay. And now let's click copy the whole description, click on this thing, and it will be in bullet points. See, now you have made your item description. The price, it should be set automatically by the DS Titan tool, but sometimes it will not, so so you will need to enter the price yourself. So let's see the price of this item right here, and I want you to list the price double. If DS Titan will not put the price, you will need to put your price yourself. When you put the price yourself, keep in mind that there is a shipping cost and there is the item itself cost. Always use the shipping cost to United States, and you will see the accurate shipping cost. So for example, this item costs $10.39, but we have the shipping price of $5.89. So we will add that shipping price to the item total, and we have this price. Now I want you to double this price and list it onto eBay with this price. So every item that you list, if DS Titan will not price the item itself, you will need to price it yourself, and that price has to be double the price of AliExpress. So in this case, it's $32.56. So I will round this up to $32.99. Quantity is always 1. Shipping policies is gonna be by default, and let item location China, and you don't need to actually change anything else in here. It will be set automatically. Now let's quickly overview everything and list the item.